Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. This is a quick insight into the upcoming new one-day AlKauthar course entitled Home is Where the Heart Is. So this course, is it a history course? No. Is it a fiqh course? Absolutely not. Rather, this is a family course and a case study centered course, inshallah. What do we mean? So throughout the day, we will be going through different case studies and true case studies faced by the modern Muslim family. Remember, at the end of the day, family matters. You want to talk about having a strong ummah, talk about a strong society. You can only have that if we have strong families. So here's a case study. Ahmed and Saima are now married for like 26 years. True story. They recently moved to the States, but each one of them has this built-up resentment and anger. They have all of this baggage. There was domestic violence in their marriage for a period of time. New country, new expectations, new experiences. They have teenage kids and they don't know what to do. There's no intimacy between husband and wife. Allah musta'an. What do they do? Who do they go to? Allah musta'an. Another case, Brother Fadil. Brother Fadil is married, he's got 2 kids. He comes to the Imam in confidence and states, "Ya Imam, I have a problem." What's the problem? "Ya Imam, I feel that within myself, I have same-sex desires. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to deal with this matter. And I don't know why." Allah musta'an. These case studies and more, bi'ithnillahi ta'ala, we will discuss in the course. Home is where the heart is, because at the end of the day, family matters. Hayyakum Allah.